This is our web page as it currently stands. We're still working just in Dreamweaver. We haven't touched Joomla yet at all. And all we've done so far is we've built out the grid inside of Bootstrap. And using this grid, we see here, I've basically placed these images on my web pages. I have put in some placeholder text for where I want my modules and my component to go here inside of Joomla, but I haven't even gotten to putting that stuff in. It'll look much better once we have real content into this web page, but even though we've got some great stuff coming in from Joomla, even though we have great stuff coming in from Bootstrap, it's absolutely a given that we're going to have to do some custom styling here as well. And the way we're going to do that is by adding a custom style sheet. So let me go ahead and show you how we can add that custom style sheet to our Joomla design. So I'm going to hop here back into Dreamweaver. And in Dreamweaver, I'm going to say File, New. And this time I'm going to create a style sheet. So blank page, CSS. There aren't any other choices. Go ahead and say Create. And here is our blank style sheet. So now I'm going to go ahead and say File, Save. And I'm going to put this in my CSS folder, and I'm going to call this custom.css. You can call this file whatever you want. Any name at all is totally fine. But I like to call mine custom because I know that this is where my custom styles are going to go. Go ahead and say Save. And now we have a custom style sheet, but we have not yet told our HTML to take a look at that custom style sheet. So let's do that. I'm going to switch back to my HTML. Here after the Google font declaration, I'm going to add a link now to my custom style sheet. So over here in Dreamweaver, I'm going to click on the link icon down here in the bottom. And I'm going to hit my browse button, browse to the custom style sheet and say OK. And OK again. And that will add a link to my custom style sheet here. So now I'm ready to start adding some custom styles to this design when I'm ready to start doing that step.